TA Workbench,
Yes,
new
sir.
products.
Yeah, it
We
is.
just went to ICAST. We should have lots to talk about.
We do. We got some cool stuff. The producer brought these little things that I was going, he was showing them to me, and I'm going, it's called the Little Sucker, and I'm going, I don't know, man. I don't think we should put those on TV. And then he showed me what they
how do
did.
they work, Dave?
Man, you put that little sucker on one of these deals here.
Yeah, the
Get
cup.
it down towards the bottom. And remember, this is wood that we're putting it on.
Right.
We got wood. And this thing will get down here right. It's got to be on here right, or it ain't going to work. Here we go. Try to do, it's probably
Like
not.
that.
Ah, there it goes. And you get that sucker down there. And it won't come off. You got it.
Oh.
You got it. You got it. Pull it.
It won't.
It won't
come
come
move.
off. It won't move. And I tell you, when you're on a boat, and because this is wood, you know it's porous.
That's
you put this,
crazy
even
how
I
that
imagine that
works.
thing will work on anything. And there's nothing to them. You can put 5 or 6 of those on a boat. Keep your Yetis down. That's
crazy,
made.
dude.
Yeah, I know. That was made for a beer can. It'll stick to anything. Probably just about if it's got halfway smooth. And
Wow.
it's great. I imagine this was probably invented for a kid on his high chair, and they said, hey, this thing would be great on a boat because it
is
doesn't
great on
move.
a boat.
It's awesome.
So what's it called?
Sea sucker.
The sucker.
Well, not little sucker.
Little
The
sucker.
little sucker. Sea sucker's the other fellas.
Yeah,
But this
man.
is this. Yeah, little suckers. Now these are Voodoo jigs from TNA Jigs. These are cool little double jigs. They make them from 8 ounce, or 16th ounce, all the way up to like I think a 3/8 ounce in that one. But those are great for pompanos, Spanish mackerel. You know, they make all kinds of jigs and jig heads. You can customize your jig. You know, if you come up with it, go on there online on TNA Jigs and pick out a jig head, any of the unpainted kind. You can get up to 13 different colors. Have them wrapped, however you like, what color wrap you want to put on there, what kind of material you want them wrapped with. They'll do any kind of custom jigs for you at TNA.
So I noticed, Dave, for yellowtailing,
Yeah, a little
'cause
circle hook jig.
as you know, in the state of Florida, if you're fishing bait for
Right.
snapper or groupers,
You got to have a
you
circle
got to
hook.
use a circle hook.
That
So
would-
they created a circle hook jig for yellowtails.
You put that shrimp on there, boy.
That's cool, man.
That's going to be deadly.
I
Deadly.
like it.
Yep.
I like it.
Those guys are down there from Tavernier anyway, so they make good stuff.
So what
All
you got here?
Whoop. One of my deals, I'm going to have to pick that up. Anyway, we got, these are,
Hey, you got
I
'em
got
right
some
here.
out already. These are new O'Shaughnessy style hooks from VMC. These are 8/0s. And if you're trolling, you know, this is the hook that I first trolled offshore with. This catches dolphin, catches kingfish. You can, tie something on here and make a cobia jig out of it. But the O'Shaughnessy style hook, and these are the VMC black coat, coastal black coating, very highly corrosion resistant. It's got a nice big eye, so you can tie, your wire to it and give it a nice big swing. Just a really good all-around hook. And if you're gonna, be trolling offshore in Florida, you're gonna be using
The coastal black.
the coastals, yeah.
Listen, 3 to 5 times, depending on the model, stronger than they used to be because of the new technology in the coastal black.
That's the deal with the coastals. They're
Yeah,
super
man.
strong and corrosion resistant. And if you're fishing every day, trolling every day, that's what you're gonna want. You want something that's strong and lasts a long time.
What's this sexy thing?
Well, there's 3 of them in here. This is actually from Grander Custom Tackles, and this is a dredge, fast loading dredge kit. And what you get is when you buy the kit, you get this head and 3 of these little heads. And what you do with these heads is usually when you're loading a mullet, a dredge full of mullet or ballyhoos, you got to wire the ballyhoo all up and or crush buy your mullets and put weights on them and all that junk. Well, with these clear acrylic heads, once you knock the eyeballs out of the bait, you just stick the bait's head in there and get one of these pins and put it right through his eyeballs, and with his head in here. Let's see, it's one of these. Yeah, this one will go through.
What?
Right through the.
Come on,
Yeah,
man.
you stick his head in there, pop him right through the eyeballs, and now your mullet just sticking out. And
it
this is
helps
already.
from him washing out.
Yeah, it won't wash out. It's on the dredge. You're gonna have a natural bait swimming back here, and all you have to do is pin it. You don't have to do all that crap.
Wow, that
and,
is so cool.
Yeah, and this head crimps right up into these heads.
Right.
So all that's sticking out is just this little head, and when you want to change a bait, you pull the pin, put the ballyhoo's head in there, put the pin back in. Now you've got, that's how
Wow.
easy to fill the dredge.
I like it.
And it probably makes a little rattle noise when that in there too, probably when it's going along.
What else you got
if
over
that
there,
floats your
Dave?
boat. Well, these are the new swim bait. This is probably, nobody has these. These things were very hard to get. These are the new swim baits from Live Target, and they're just amazing. They're so realistic. They come with a pinfish, a sardine, a mullet, a thread fin, a golden shiner even for bass fishing. They're a perfect scale. The hook is inside. It's got a really, I mean, the hook and the weight are all molded in the bait. It's got a really wide gap hook, so your hook set's gonna be amazing. Every one of these little fins, there's a tiny little wire in there that acts as a weed guard kind. It's not like you throw it in the lily pads or anything, but it's a little brush guard that'll keep things off of it. This really oscillating tail. It's a new design. It really makes that tail kick even at really slow speeds, and it's translucent too, so you can see the color and everything through the tail. So when that thing's swimming, it looks just like a real fish, and that's what Live Target's all about, is making things that look like it's alive.